in today's video, I want to do my Chanel wish list. It was requested after I did my Louis Vuitton one last year. Yeah, last year. So if you guys want to see what's on my Chanel wish list, please keep watching. So the sun is going down rather quickly. I'm going out with a friend later. Hey Keisha, if you're watching. So I wanted to quickly get this video filmed. I ended up having American Deli for lunch and taking a huge nap because I had the itis, something serious. So let's quickly get into this video before the sun goes down. So currently I have 2 Chanel bags in my collection. I have a large flap that's red, and then I have a wallet on a chain that's black. Now Chanel, I would say like overall Louis Vuitton is my favorite brand just because I think they have different lines within the brand and it's versatile and it's classic, but Chanel's classic as well. It's just Chanel is on a different price point level and Mama is not there yet. The way I like to go in, I'm not there yet. And also I think a lot of the styles look very similar and I'm into bags that are a little different and not the common bags you'll see everywhere. So the first thing on my list is a Chanel gold brooch. I actually want to get this for myself and my mother. My mother is very classic and minimalistic, but she really likes brooches and she has the cutest little suits and she's all petite. So I think she would really like a gold brooch. I really want one because they're cute and I think it would be a good way to dress up a lot of my going out pieces that are a bit more basic, if you will. So a brooch is something that I think is great to add to anyone's Chanel collection and also something that you can wear for ages. So definitely want a brooch. Next, I would like a pearl necklace. If you guys notice, pearls, that's like my thing. I only wear pearl earrings unless I'm wearing something going out and until I get some diamonds. But I really want to get a Chanel pearl necklace, something a little longer and fashiony, just because I only have like a regular pearl necklace, like, you know, the classic ones. But I really think that I would like something a little more festive and fashionable and interesting. So I definitely want to get a pearl necklace from Chanel. When I build up my Chanel collection, it's going to include pieces from shoes to bags to scarves, sunglasses, jewelry, because a lot of the bags I'm not so much into. So I really do like Chanel's jewelry though. The next item I want is a pair of sunglasses. My friend Kelly has a really pretty pair of blue sunglasses, I believe. I would like a pair of pink Chanel sunglasses just because a lot of the sunglasses, well, 99% of my sunglasses are black or brown. I think it would be nice to have something colorful. I could wear them in the summertime. And I think Chanel glasses are just so chic and cute. Like they're so cute. And I love the case because you guys know that goes into when you're purchasing luxury items. So I would definitely like to get some Chanel sunglasses. The next thing I would like is the Chanel O case. And that to me is kind of like the Louis Vuitton mini pochette. And I believe they almost carry about the same, but it's like a little pouch without a strap. And I think it would be great to keep in larger bags as like a catch-all for smaller items. And I believe that item is under $500. And they do come out with seasonal variations in terms of different textures and colors. And I just think that would be a useful item to have because I love small leather goods. I don't know what it is about small leather goods, but I just think they're so fun to collect. So I definitely want a Chanel small O case. I believe that's what it's called. Then I would really like a Chanel mini. So I'm gonna insert a picture, of course. Now because I already have like quilted bags, I kind of want a chevron mini, and I think it would be cute to have one in like a navy color with silver hardware, or maybe even a black chevron with gold hardware. But I really want a mini bag for going out at night. I love big bags, but when I go out at night, it's really hard to carry a big bag because it's like, where do you sit it? And I don't always want something right under my arm. So I like having something that I can just drape over my shoulder. And even though this bag doesn't really look great crossbody, if need be, like if you're at a club or something, which I don't go to that often, but if I was at a club, I would just put it over my shoulder and it would just be what it is. So definitely want a Chanel mini. I think they are so cute. Yes, you can't hold a lot, but it's, for me, it would be for use of going out at night. And excuse my nails, I got gel nails for Christmas and I'm trying to take them off because I'm not paying to have them removed. I would like a boy bag, so I want a Chanel medium boy. Now, I don't know too much about boy bags in terms of the new medium versus the old medium, but I need a Chanel boy bag in my collection. I feel like every handbag collector, connoisseur needs a Chanel boy bag. I don't know what color I would get. Maybe I would get the mini in black and do the boy in navy because I don't have a navy bag. And I think navy can be worn with every color. So yeah, I think I would like a navy with silver hardware. Don't know what kind of hardware, whether ruthenium, I believe, or shiny silver. I have no clue. I just know I need a boy bag. And I think I need to buy one this year. So I think I will. I'm gonna go pre-owned because I'm just not paying that much for a bag that I'm not gonna wear that often. So I'm gonna need the help of my dear friend Kelly to help me purchase my Chanel boy. But yeah, I think that's a bag that I'm going to add to my collection this year, hopefully, because that to me is just a staple. Like, I love that bag. Then we have the Chanel large lambskin, the Chanel large in black lambskin with gold hardware. To me, this is the quintessential Chanel bag. I'm not really into the size jumbo because I want, like, Chanel bags to me, with exception of the boy, are mostly for like going out, just in my mind, because of how they look and what I would pair them with. So to me, a jumbo is a little too large for going out because it's a taller bag. So I really want the large because you can fit it in your lap nicely. You can fit it behind you, between like the small of your back and the chair if you need to. It's a nice bag, but it's not too large. So I really want that. To me, that's like the staple. And if I don't get that one, I might even get the 255 reissue because I actually do like those bags. They're a little more understated, but to me, like, it's still gorgeous and I would really love that. And I would also like a pair of Chanel sneakers. I think Chanel sneakers are so cute. I know a lot of ladies really like the espadrilles. I think the espadrilles are just way too popular. You guys know I try to steer away from things that are too popular just because I like kind of having unique items in my collection. So I do think I would like a pair of Chanel sneakers. Probably like some black leather sneakers because black is my favorite color. So yeah, definitely want some Chanel sneakers. And the last item is the Chanel DeVille bowling bag. Now, this handbag first came on my radar because I would always see Monica out with this bag, the singer. I always see her out with this bag, and it's kind of like casual, yet transforms into being like fancy, and it has dual straps, so it's like multi-purpose, and it's so pretty. And every time I see her out with it, I'm just like, I need it. And it's definitely not a popular bag. I think my aunt actually has that bag as well. She's really into those type of Chanel bags. So yeah, definitely want that DeVille shopping bag because it's a little different. That is something that I would have to get on the pre-owned market though, so I'd have to hunt it down, but definitely want that one. So guys, those are all the items I have for my Chanel wish list. It's not expansive. These are probably all the bags I want, or all the items from Chanel off the top of my head that I can really think of, because like I said, Chanel is my style, but Louis Vuitton is more my style. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what's on your Chanel wish list. Leave any comments or questions down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.